For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Even as the world continues to express its outrage against the death of George Floyd due to police brutality, back home, the death of a father-son duo in Tamil Nadu has rocked the nation. Custodial death of father and son in Santakulam police station due to alleged horrific torture by police sparks widespread outrage on social media. Netizens, politicians and celebrities have expressed outrage over the incident. According to reports, the duo were thrashed over an altercation over shutting Benix's mobile accessory shop as it violated the rules. When cops on lockdown patrol in Santakulam caught Jairaj breaking lockdown rules, they scolded him for a mere 15-minute delay in pulling down the shutters. Jairaj was also taken into custody. Benix was informed about the arrest and rushed to the police station with his friends. Benix wasn't allowed to meet his father till the next day. On June 20th, Benix met his father while his friends were asked to wait outside. On the same day, cops thrashed Benix and Jairaj black and blue. The cops took Benix and Jairaj to the hospital to get their medical fitness test and then took them both to the Sathankulam Judicial Magistrate T. Sarvanan. The father and son were then taken to Kovilpatti sub-jail, around 100 kilometers away from Sathankulam. On the night of Monday, June 22nd, Benix died at the Kovilpatti Government Hospital after complaining of chest pain. In the wee hours of Tuesday, June 23rd, Jairaj too breathed his last in the same hospital. As the news of the death of Jairaj and Benix spread, shopkeepers and members of the public in Sathankulam town staged a protest. RJ Suchitra also condemned the incident and spoke about the brutality meted out against the duo.
First, their knees were smashed with sticks or lathis. Their knees were completely crushed and smashed. Next, their faces were pushed against a wall and blows were rained on their backs and bottom till it ripped and bled. They were stripped completely and not even their underwear was spared. They were completely stripped naked and thrown into jail. The gates were locked, but we know for a fact that this is what happened behind the gates. They were taken to a spot where there were no CCTV cameras and steel-tipped wooden lathis or batons or sticks, batons or sticks several times, and there was also a great deal of torture and damage inflicted on their genitalia because eyewitnesses of the body have stated, they've said that both the genital region and the backside were completely ripped and mangled. Their chest hair was ripped out in tufts.
Eyewitnesses claimed that the cops sexually assaulted the father-son duo. While the police brutally assaulted Benix and inserted a baton into his that triggered uncontrolled bleeding, they smashed Jairaj and kicked him on his chest multiple times with their shoes. We saw him bleeding profusely even as he was in police custody at Sathankulam police station. Throughout the night, the duo cried for help and people residing about 500 meters away from the station could hear that. One of Benix's friend also said the father and son changed their lungis at least 7 times. Between 7 a.m. and 12 p.m. on June 20th, the father and son had changed at least 7 lungis or waistcloth each as they had become wet due to blood oozing from their rectums. The duo's car driver also spoke about their condition. I gave them 4 clothes to change. We had laid down a blanket in the seat of the car when we went to pick them up. Benix had lost a lot of flesh on his back. He was a well-built man. The spot where Benix sat was covered with blood. The place where Jairaj was sitting was also all blood. The blankets are still with us. DMK chief M.K. Stalin announced a compensation and condemned the incident and took a dig at AIA-DMK government. The alleged brutal assault on the 2 men days ago by police was the result of the AIA-DMK government allowing them to take law into their own hands at a time when they have to ensure the safety of the public during the lockdown. Rahul Gandhi condemned the incident on Twitter. Police brutality is a terrible crime. It's a tragedy when our protectors turn into oppressors. I offer my condolences to the family of the victims and appeal to the government to ensure justice for Jairaj and Phoenix. DMK MP from Thoothukudi, Kanimoli, has written to National Human Rights Commission seeking an inquiry against police personnel and others responsible in the matter relating to the alleged custodial deaths of a father and son. 2 sub-inspectors from Sadankulam police station have been suspended and the station police inspector has been put on the waiting list, and the family members of the victims have decided to file a murder case against the cops. Many even compared the killings to that of George Floyd in the US in May that sparked worldwide outrage.